All right, so the most recent assignments that we're working on in class and the last two of the group that you need to submit. When you go to the classwork page, you're going to go to the watercolor section, and the first one you need to do is a landscape reference. This assignment is super easy. You guys are just ooh, my computer. You're just going to be deciding on what you want to do your watercolor picture on. So again, as always, read through the instructions. And he even gives you some examples of different landscape pictures that you can choose from. But your task, just go onto Google Image and do a search for, maybe you want to do, lakes as a landscape. Or maybe you're really into mountains, or maybe you want to do mountains in the wintertime. Whatever the case may be, just make sure that you include the things that you need to. So it says for the first part of your final assignment, you'll need to find a reference picture of a natural landscape. So again, this is not going to be a picture of buildings or houses or something that somebody built. It's going to be completely made by nature, or not man-made rather. Oh, so it's going to show, let's see, I lost my natural landscapes that show one form of perspective, 1 point, 2 point, or atmospheric. Objects near the bottom of the paper must be larger than objects higher up on the page. So make sure you follow those parameters. So when you did your 1 point and 2 point perspective drawings and assignments that you should have done before you're looking at this, now you know the difference between the two. You're going to find a picture that you like. Does it meet those requirements? And then all you have to do is submit it. That's the end of that assignment. And then for the one after that, you're going to be drawing it. So you're going to be drawing it. Sorry, my computer is going all over the place right now. You're not taking out watercolors. You're not doing anything fancy. Just a piece of paper, scrap paper, if you will. And you are going to draw it with dark lead. So you don't need a fancy special art pencil, but make sure that when you're, doing this at home, press down hard, no light lines. That's really the only requirement. Try to use a number 2 pencil if you have one. And, again, just read through the assignment instructions. If you need to watch the videos, you can, but this part isn't as complicated as the 1 and 2 point perspective assignments were. Again, let me know if you have any questions or reach out to Mr. Wynn directly.